There's cranberry marshes strewn all over the Midwest. It's a big deal for Wisconsin. Hi, I'm Kevin Kemp, and I'm the manager of Habelman Bros Cranberry in Tomah, Wisconsin. They've been around since 1907, and we are the largest fresh cranberry producer in the world. We have 700 acres, and all 700 acres go in the bag. It's our annual harvest when the berries ripen up and get red, and we can pick them and get them out to the stores. It's a Hyundai HW160, and it's loading boats for us for fresh fruit operation. The beds are flooded, and that water transpires through the dam and makes the dam soft. We need the reach. We want to try and stay on the hardest, levelest ground we can, but we still have to reach out into the bed and get the boats out of the water. And it saves a lot of pulling on the end for the labor force to get the boats close enough to the edge to make it easier on those guys. It's a lot more labor intense to grow fresh fruit and keep it clean and a good quality product than a lot of people understand. So the bigger 160 we picked up can pick up 2 to 3 boats and nobody has to touch anything. We only have till November before things start freezing up, and downtime this time of year is not a good thing. Service is great. Every time I call, they're on it, or they got a part, or they're gonna get it fixed. Here at Tomah, we have 2-wheeled excavators and a Hyundai 300 big loader, and then up to our other marsh, we have 2 more that they use for harvest. The operators love them. They like the creature comforts. Anytime it gets cold, heated seats. Visibility in the cameras are great. As you can see, there's a lot of people around their work. The mobility of them. This afternoon, we'll probably be moving almost a quarter mile to a different bed. The swing is smooth, which we need. The power's there, no problem. It's quick and easy, and they get it done. They're pretty crucial to what our harvest needs.